In this video, you'll learn how to replicate a campaign in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to easily create a new campaign based on an existing one, saving time and ensuring consistency in your messaging. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see a dashboard displaying various options related to your account. Ensure you are signed in before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate and click on the Campaigns option in the main menu. This feature is typically found on the left side of the screen. After you click on Campaigns, a new screen will appear showcasing a list of all your existing campaigns. Take a moment to review this list to find the campaign you wish to replicate. After that, identify the specific campaign you want to replicate from the list. Click on the name of the campaign to open its details. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can view all the settings and content of the selected campaign. Verify that this is indeed the campaign you want to duplicate before moving forward. Once you have confirmed the correct campaign, look for the Replicate button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button. The system will then generate a copy of the campaign, which may take a moment. You should see a loading indicator or a brief confirmation message indicating that the replication process is underway. After the new campaign is created, you will be redirected to the campaign editor. Here you can modify any details as needed, such as the subject line, content, and recipient list. Remember to check the size of any images or files you plan to use, as larger files can slow down the upload process. Additionally, ensure you save your changes regularly to avoid losing any updates during the editing phase. And there you have it. You have now successfully replicated a campaign in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and see you soon.